Hi guys, I am going to my best friend's house to bake a cake. Unfortunately, I can't show my best friend because she's not allowed on the camera, else I would do. But yeah, so I'm going to be baking a cake, which I am totally, I'm the best at making cakes. I really am. But you know, so we're going to see how it turns out, okay? Catch up to you when it's time. Bye! Right, what am I measuring? What am I measuring? Is it on 0? Yes. What? Click on 0. Okay, how much do I need? 120. I can't see. Look, can you see? Okay, right there. There. Right, you just leave it like that. You need to get I know. If I move up here, you can see me. Okay, right. Now you need to measure out 125 grams of... I need something to measure it out with. Get a knife, and then you weigh out 125 grams. I didn't have the Linda. There you go. Right, how much am I weighing out? 125 grams. Oh, 125. It's lots of butter for a cake. Cakes have lots of butter and sugar in. Ooh, sugar! Right, how much am I putting in? 125. 125. Yeah. You might want to hold the bowl when you put it in. Do you want me, wait. Do you want me to get you like a bowl? 120. You need 5 more grams. It doesn't matter if you do like a gram or 2. 120. 124. 126. Are we going to try and dye pink then? Okay. 28. 129. 300. Okay, right, I'm just going to get a bowl up for you. Need a bowl? Kitchen towel. What bowl? No. Okay, we'll scrape the butter into the bowl. Okay, right. Right, done. Okay, now you need to get some sugar. No. If you eat the sugar, then it'll kill you. You need 125 grams of caster sugar. 125. It's too heavy. Okay. It's way too heavy, I'll smash it. If I let go of it. Then this is why. This is not. How much is it? 100 exactly. Right, you just need 25 more grams. Okay, right. You can mix it together. Wait. Have you got it all out? Mix it. Nope, but butter and sugar, guys.
Katie.
Yeah, that looks tasty.
Katie.
Can I just mix it with my hands?
No, don't mix it with your hands actually, you have to mix it with a spoon. That's why I usually do it with an electric.
I'm scared of electric top anymore.
Really?
Why can't I mix it with my hands?
Because you can't.
Why? Oh, bakers do it.
They're bread.
Oh, knew that. Bread cake, same thing. Something called a bread cake, you know. Oh, no. Oh, hi guys. I've just been mixing all up. Right, I've just been mixing. That's what it's turned out like.
Katie, next you need to... 3, you set it on 0. You put it on 0.
Done.
Okay, now you need some baking powder. And because of posh, we
Hi guys, I'm back. We've just got some pans. I'm sorry if I scared you a little bit when I went at it. Yeah. It's floating greaseproof paper. Ooh.
Okay, right, Katie, next thing what to do?
Yeah. Chad.
Something's helping out, so I'm like...
Hello. Is it because I told you he's part bit poor? I'm not a bad owner.
You know.
Oh, whoops. I met Larry multiple. God.
Have you put the greaseproof paper in the tins?
Fried fish.
Here's the iced salt biscuits. Okay, you done that?
Tin.
Okay. That's number 1. Number 2.
And there the cake.
Right, Captain, make sure you know what time. Come on,